Did you know that something buried in your medical records can lead to a life insurance denied claim, even years after your policy is issued? Insurance companies have more access to your health history than most people realize. In this video, I'll explain how life insurers have access to your health information when they review it, and why full honesty during the application process could be the difference between a paid claim and a devastating denial. What happens during the insurance company's underwriting process? During underwriting, insurers may request access to your full medical history. This includes doctor's visits, diagnosis and treatments, prescriptions, surgeries or hospitalizations. They often require you to sign a HIPAA release form that gives them access to these records. The MIB Group, formerly known as the Medical Information Bureau, is a clearinghouse for medical data. Life insurance companies use it to identify inconsistencies or red flags in your application by checking it against previous insurance applications, reported conditions, or risk indicators like smoking, high BMI, and chronic illnesses. While it doesn't contain full medical records, it flags areas for deeper investigation. What type of health records are reviewed? Insurers may look for pre-existing conditions, mental health history, substance abuse, occupational risk factors, or lifestyle habits, or like smoking or high-risk hobbies. The goal, to assess risk as accurately as possible before issuing the policy. When do life insurance companies check your medical records after death? After a person dies, the insurance company may go back and review your medical history in detail, especially if the claim is large, there are red flags for fraud or non-disclosure, or in particular, if the policy is less than 2 years old. This is what's called the contestability period. This 2-year window allows insurers to investigate the application for errors or omissions. If they find something significant, like a missed cancer diagnosis or concealed smoking history, they can deny the claim, even if the death wasn't related. So why do they review records during the claims process? Even if your policy is beyond the contestability period, suspected fraud or misrepresentation can still trigger a deeper review. It's important to note that after the contestability period, checking records is extremely rare. What happens if your medical records don't match your application answers? Discrepancies can lead to serious consequences, such as claim denials, policy cancellations, lawsuits, or legal delays, and financial hardships for your beneficiaries. Even minor omissions, like not mentioning a past prescription, can be used to challenge the claim. Insurance companies are looking for any excuse to deny your claim. Why is full disclosure essential for life insurance? Life insurance is a legal contract. If the information on your application isn't accurate, the insurer may claim that the contract is void. Being 100% honest, even if it means your premium goes up, protects your loved ones when it matters most. Here's what to do when you realize that there's an error on your application. If you notice a mistake, contact your insurer immediately. Ask to update and clarify your information, and keep documentation of your correction request. Correcting an error before the death can preserve the validity of your policy and avoid disputes later. Yes, life insurance companies can check your medical records, and they absolutely do. The best way to protect your policy is through complete honesty, accurate reporting, and ongoing communication with your lawyer. But mistakes happen, and if your insurance claim is denied due to a medical issue, or you need help fighting back, Boonswong Law can help.